Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Crypto Helper Official. In this video, I'm going to share you another new great DeFi project named DripX, and the website link is dripxtoken.com. As you know, guys, there are many scam projects that came into the market, and they scam very fast without paying an investment back. But the dripxtoken.com is a very great and trusted platform. You can buy this token now, and in future it may be profitable to you. So it's up to you. I'm not forcing you to buy. You have to buy at your own risk. Dripex where fashion meets crypto. And when you go down, you can simply check the Dripex, a revolutionary BSC blockchain token focused on connecting modern streetwear and sneakers enthusiasts to the crypto world. Dripex is building a large international community support to the street fashion world and combat malpractices in the fashion industry. You can check it is a community driven token and a charitable token and is a drug proof token. A rug-proof deflector currency for sneaker, rubber, and hype beast. DripX is rug-proof with 90% of initial supply being locked in the liquidity pool. 5% of each transaction is transferred to the liquidity pool, which results in no more stable price. So you can check here. Higher liquidity means when whales are sell or buy, the price impact will not be sustainable. 4% of each transaction is burned, which leads an increased DripX value. The fewer tokens available, the higher price of the DripX become 3% of each transaction is equally distributed amongst the holders of DripX. This is a temporary website. A proper HTML website will be designed in a few weeks after the launch. It will be launched soon. You can join their coupon chart if you want to see you can check the coupon chart of this DripX BNB. And total supply, you can check this much of tokens, and market capital is, you can check, 2,09,290 dollars. And Dripex BLP holding, you can check 36.94 BNB, which is equal to $19,600. You can check the chart is going about like this. And when you go down, you can see the transaction people are doing and how much they are doing, and they are buying. Now sellers are some more, it will be soon be covered. And here you can check the block finance chart also. Here you can check price and 24 hours change, you can check here. And swap Dripex and BNB, you can swap here, and all this here you can check. If you want to buy this token, you have to simply click to pancake swap, and here you can swap from BNB to Dripex. You can simply, like, if I want to buy from one BNB, you can check this much of amount of Dripex I will get. Simply you have to connect your wallet first, then you have to swap here, and you will get swap button here. Now I will show you the contract. You can check the contract address of this site here. Address, check the BNB balance and GNB value here. You can check contract creator and at TX, and you can check token tracker is DripX, and you can check here. So it's a great site, and you can check the DripX to the moon, hold and get rewarded. You can hold it. And when you see here, you can check the our mission of this site here. You can check the full mission of this site, what they want to do, and all that information you will get here. Dripex mission, you can check our mission, you can check here reversing, and you can read all this. And charity, they go to judge charity and all this, you read. That's also here. Tokenomics, I showed you here. Tokenomics, you can check. When you click tokenomics, you can check the Dripex tokenomics wallet. This much of maximum supply is circulating supply is initial 90%. This much of Dripex wallet 5%, and this much of amount of Dripex and team wallet 5%, and this much of amount of Dripex. The TX and fees for each transaction, you can check transaction fees: 5% liquidity fee, 4% burn fee, and 3% redistributed fee amount. When profit is made, 30% of profit will be used to buy tokens, and burn 30% will go to the Dripex wallet to continue marketing. Charity giveaway 20% will be used to developer own purposes, 20% will be allocated to remedial purposes. So you can read all this information here. Charity also, they do bit the weekly. 750 holders have been achieved. 50% of the profit from the liquidity pool will be allocated and assigned or to various NGOs combating child labor. You can check marketing and easy wallet here. You can check the team wallet here on BSC scan. You can check here all, and you can check how Dripex are divided. You can check the pie chart of this. And when you click here, you can check the roadmap of this site. When you click, you will get the roadmap of the site. You can read the roadmap of phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. The 4 phase you can read up here. You can check the white paper also of this site here, Dripex token white paper. You can read out the white paper. It will be go initial how Dripex work, and this all you can download the white paper from here. Simply they are given the link. So here the white paper, and you can check buy on PancakeSwap. I already told you. Here you will get the useful links what will be used in this site, and you can check the BSC scan, token chart, Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, TikTok, Block Finance, and Reddit. All the links you will get here, and this is the site. So the site is very great. If you want to invest in this token, simply buy this token now and hold it for future. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.